Hey guys, happy Friday. I have an Ask a Designer for today that has been asked of me a lot, and actually something we explain a lot and educate our clients on a lot. So it's what's the difference between going custom and prefab when it comes to interior design. So this can mean a lot of different things. Basically, anything can be customized for you, or anything can come prefab. So for today though, I'm gonna talk specifically about furnishings. A lot of times clients get really scared when they hear the word custom. They think it means it's gonna cost me $20,000 for a sofa or $10,000 for a bed to do something custom. And that's not the case at all. So the differences are, one, obviously you're able to get exactly what you want down to the detail. Also two, usually 99 times out of 100, you're getting a much higher quality product when you're going custom, because again, you're involved in every level of the detail, or we're involved in helping design it and put it together. And also you're getting something that's really, really unique and special to you, and could potentially be something that becomes a family heirloom that you pass down. Now, people get scared because they think the costs are going to be crazy, and let me just tell you that is not the case at all. So say for example you're buying a sofa. Sure, you could find a sofa for very inexpensive cost, and you can find one that's prefab that's very expensive as well. But if you're going custom, there are certain lines that we work with where it is a higher construction quality, and everything's handmade, and we're getting it down to the fabric, the wood legs, kind of everything, and it's around the same price as going mid-range on a sofa that you would just buy at like West Elm or Crate and Barrel or something like that. Sometimes it's a little bit more, but when I say a little bit more, we're talking 15% more, but the quality is so much better. So I highly recommend that. Same sort of thing goes for what we call case goods. That's like dressers or tables or consoles, or kind of those big wood or metal pieces. Those two are really great item to customize and really make exactly what you want. Because think about if you're remodeling a kitchen and you're trying to do something really special in a drawer, like I need a charging drawer, so I want to make sure this drawer has outlets in it. Well, why not do the same for your furnishings? Not put outlets in it, but make it really customized. So maybe you need a console, but you need it to have drawers and it needs to be a certain height. We can still do that at a similar price point as to what you're gonna buy it for new. So there's a lot of options out there for custom, and I can promise you that the quality will always be better and you'll be getting exactly what you want. So don't be scared of the word custom. It's oftentimes a really awesome way to go. I will say, and I'm not gonna really touch on it much today, but for like things like lighting, custom can get really pricey there. There are things that involve a lot of like hard wiring and mechanical elements, and that's when the cost goes up in custom pieces. But if it's a piece of furniture, don't worry about it. Just do it. Trust us on it, okay? Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.